channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install latest version of PyCharm IDE in Windows 11 operating system. So to install PyCharm and to run Python program on your system, first you need to install the Python. So let's first install Python. So open your favorite browser and search for Python. Now you will get the official website python.org. Click on that website. Now in here need to click on downloads. So you will get the latest version of Python, which is 3.12.3. So click on this button to download. It is for Windows operating system. So click on this. So it will start automatically downloading. So we have downloaded it successfully. Let's install. To install, open it into folder and double click on application. Let's close the previous folders. Now here we have to just add this path to exe. So the Python path will be automatically added to environment variable. So we need to click on this checkbox and then click on install now. So it will start installing. Now we have installed it successfully. Let's close it and let's try to check it is installed or not. For that, open the command prompt and type py and press enter. So it will show the latest version of Python which we have installed. Now to install, now let's try to run simple code. So we will use print statement to print some value or some text. So in print we will write hello world. Let's close the double quotes and brackets. Just use semicolon and just hit enter. So it is showing error. So p should be small in this case. Let's do p small. So you can see hello world we have printed. So in this way you can install Python in Windows 11 operating system, as well as you can run a simple code in Python.